basically, if you're new here, hey y'all, hey, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, if you're a subscriber, hey, how you doing? So basically, this video is going to be a day in the life vlog. I'm 20 right now, so I'm about to hop in the shower, and then I'll toast it when I get out the shower. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm at the shower. So now I'm putting on my skin. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know true. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. I'm finna go ahead to my room. I'm probably finna watch Gossip Girls. So y'all should go watch Gossip Girls if y'all haven't. Yeah, it's a real good show. It's a real good show. Hey, props to Cuz. She put me on the last show. Cuz put me on to a lot of shows. Yeah, that's the end of this community. So I'm in my room now. It's currently like what? Hold on, guys. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. So I'm finna make my bed, and then I'm gonna end up watching Gossip Girls. But yeah, so that's really it. I'll show y'all the outfit when I put it on. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I'm trying to fit. So y'all, it's this black shirt and the dude's mom with a chain on. I think I had this on in my other video, one of the videos. And then got these brown shirts. I tried to like make the brown shirts match his face a little bit. I'm gonna do the red. But yeah, that's the video. It's 6:20, so I'm about to I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do my edges and I'm gonna do my mascara first because I always end up doing my mascara last, and it'll take me a minute to get them done for real. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and do that now. So yeah, basically I was just doing everything off camera, because for the half part, I was doing my mascara, then I was doing my edges, then I got back to watching Gossip Girl. So I kind of feel like it was no need to record. Don't mind that, it's my purse right there. I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna just go back and put until like I did this day. I wanted to do this one ponytail, but this side don't seem to be cooperating. Black purse, got the brown shirt, got that shirt. So my hair kind of look crazy because it wouldn't go. I don't even know how to explain it, but that's the fifth today, y'all. But yeah, I'll see y'all at school. Oh, metal rocks. So we got two ponytails to the side. This one, I don't even know. And then we got the back out. Looks crazy. Bye, y'all. Don't sleep, don't trip, don't fall. I know y'all. I'm at school. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. What time is it?
Did I just hear my name, or was that just me? See, look.
Don't sleep, don't trip, don't fall.
You peep.
Hey, y'all. Okay, y'all. We in the first period. Ma'am. My and it's always wrong.
It's always hurt. What we gotta do a fit check, y'all? Something.
Okay, fit check, y'all. So shirt, Sheen, shoes. I mean, bruh, shorts. Old Navy, and then shoes. I don't even know. Purse, Sheen.
Shirt from Fashion Nova. Where's he? I don't know where these from, y'all. My Crocs is from Crocs. Shirts from Shane. I don't remember where I got this. And my white and gray shorts.
Bye, y'all. Anyway, y'all, let me Facebook. So, y'all later. Do it.
Thugging and bugging.
Hey, y'all. We in the Yo, I totally forgot to vlog this whole lunch period.
Alright, y'all. So basically, I'm finna catch y'all up on why we angry right now. We angry because, from what I know, why I was just trying to zoom in. But from my standpoint and what I know, basically, some shit went down.
This is all fake, just in case the fans.
This
is a hat. Hey guys, you guys want to be in a vlog or no?
Must be nice. I got
So are you?
biology.
April? Never mind, she
Y'all
not.
see the fit? Hold on, get the fit. Get the fit. Oh, I actually done posted. Blow up. Y'all need to blow her shit up so I can get more hoes. Once I get more hoes, you already know.
No, we don't
I'm
know.
spitting my flow.
Huh?
Watch your control. I did.
Okay, bye y'all.
Bye. Bye.
Hey y'all. Tell the comments, but it's Hey vlog, we walking home again.
Hey, walking vlog. So today we have, it's only 3 of us because the other one is at basketball.
It's hot.
Hot as fuck.
Say it is hot. You see what he got on?
Legs wide open and shit. I don't know.
You know, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
I get my phone today.
Period. I get my hair done today.
Hey.
Bye.
Chucky the rapper. That's me and him go together real bad. Did y'all know that? Me.
Just in case the fans watching y'all.
This is all props.
Or props. None of that. Bye, y'all. Hey, vlog. So I'm home now. I'm not tired. But y'all, today was fun. They been taking our phones a lot, so I don't really be having my phones a lot. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's like it's 2:35 right now. I had to like tap my Apple Watch. But yeah, so it's 2:45 right now. So my hair appointment is at 3:45. So sorry. So somebody texted me. But yeah, so basically I'm about to get in the shower and I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff because like I just said, my hair appointment is at 3:45. I'm gonna take us like a cool couple minutes to get there. So yeah, this hairstyle was really cute. Like I love the little ponytails and then the little hair in the back. I love that. It's real cute. But yeah, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye y'all. This is my hair, y'all. I would on my back camera, but the back camera like messed up right now. I don't know. But yeah. Hair washed, guys.
game. Too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap. Too sexy for that cap. Too sexy for that job. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay.
We still got the clips, yeah. Let me stop teaching it. But don't mind the rest of it. I'm about to wash my edges off. Cause I kinda like forgot to wash my edges when I was in the shower. Don't ask that I have to cause I don't know. But yeah, see y'all in a minute.
So what can I say to you? When I'm off that, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you.
Hi y'all, so we're done. That's the end of this video. Hope you guys like, comment, share this video with your cousins, people, all that. But yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Bye y'all.